If you use Lucidspark for brainstorming, planning, or organizing ideas, tags can make your sticky notes much easier to sort and manage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to sticky notes in Lucidspark step by step, so you can keep your board cleaner, search faster, and stay more organized as your workspace grows. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidspark board and find the sticky note you want to tag. You can click on any sticky note to select it. Once it's selected, Lucidspark will show the available editing options for that note. This is where you'll be able to access the tag controls. Next, look for the tags option in the toolbar or in the sticky notes settings menu. Depending on how your board is set up and which version of Lucidspark you're using, the tag option may appear in slightly different places, but it should always be tied to the selected sticky note. When you find it, click Add Tag. Now you can create a new tag or choose one that already exists. If you want a brand new tag, just type the name of the tag into the field. This could be something like priority, design, research, client feedback, or anything that fits your workflow. After typing the tag name, press enter to create it. If Lucidspark already has a tag you want to use, simply select it from the list instead of creating a duplicate. This is useful if your team is already using a set of shared tags across the board. Choosing an existing tag helps keep everything consistent and easier to filter later. Once you apply the tag, it will be attached to that sticky note right away. You should now see the tag associated with the note, which makes it easier to identify, group, and organize your ideas visually. If you're working on a large board with many sticky notes, tags can save you a lot of time when reviewing information or sorting tasks. You can repeat the same process for any other sticky notes you want to label. Just click the note, open the tag options, type or select your tag, and press enter to apply it. If you want to keep your board structured, try using a simple tagging system so your notes are easy to scan at a glance. A good tip is to use tags consistently. For example, you might use tags for departments, project phases, task status, or idea categories. That way, your Lucidspark board stays organized and your team can understand the meaning of each sticky note faster. The more consistent your tags are, the easier it becomes to manage your board over time. So that's how to add tags to sticky notes in Lucidspark. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you organize your ideas and collaborate with others. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials on helpful software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.